gentlemen, what's happened to the markets over the past year has been nothing short of unprecedented. We've witnessed twists and turns that left experts scratching their heads and investors on the edge of their seats. But amidst the chaos, one individual stood tall, making predictions that defied conventional wisdom and proving that sometimes, history holds the key to understanding the present. Today, we dive deep into the incredible story of Russell Napier, the macro strategist who saw it all coming. Join us as we unravel the secrets behind his uncanny foresight and reveal what he believes is coming next. Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our channel. I'm Leah, and today we're about to embark on an exhilarating journey through the world of finance, predictions, and the ever-elusive market dynamics. So, grab your notepads and get ready to learn from the best, because Russell Napier's insights are nothing short of enlightening. Let's dive right in. To understand the enigma that is Russell Napier, we need to delve into his remarkable background. Russell is not your typical market analyst. He's a financial historian, author, and academic whose expertise spans decades. He shot to fame after predicting the Asian financial crisis in the 1990s, earning him a reputation as someone who could see through the market noise. But his true genius emerged when he began making predictions that defied the mainstream narrative. When inflation started rising in 2021, Russell made a bold prediction. He declared that it wouldn't be transitory, contrary to the prevailing belief. He foresaw that inflation would continue to rise due to the pent-up demand for services, which had been artificially suppressed during pandemic lockdowns. Fast forward to the summer of 2022, and U.S. inflation almost hit 10%, driven by soaring prices and services. While many expected interest rates to rise in response to this inflation surge, Russell's contrarian view set him apart. He not only predicted that the stock market would continue to rally despite rate hikes but also forecasted that the Fed would raise rates above 5%, with no significant impact on the economy. Remarkably, these predictions turned out to be eerily accurate. Another area where Russell's foresight shone was the yield curve inversion. He noted the record inversion and correctly concluded that it wouldn't signal an imminent recession. In fact, he predicted that governments would introduce measures to fight inflation that would inadvertently make it worse. This insight led him to conclude that the traditional recession signals were flawed. The elephant in the room, of course, was the Inflation Reduction Act, passed in the U.S. last summer. Russell's ability to see beyond the surface and understand the real consequences of these measures gave him a unique edge. Perhaps Russell's most impressive prediction was related to financial liquidity. While conventional wisdom dictated that liquidity had a strong correlation with risk assets, Russell took a different stance. He believed that liquidity's impact on asset prices would diminish over time. This prediction seemed counterintuitive, especially considering the recent market rallies fueled by increased liquidity. Yet, as we've witnessed, the markets continued to rally even as global liquidity declined. Russell's macro framework and deep understanding of historical patterns allowed him to unravel this intriguing liquidity mystery. So, what's the secret behind Russell Napier's extraordinary insights? It all stems from his macro framework, a carefully constructed lens through which he views the financial world. This framework is rooted in the lessons learned from the Asian financial crisis of 1997, a turning point that left an indelible mark on the global economic landscape. Russell's macro framework revolves around the idea that governments, in their quest to manage their overwhelming debts, will resort to financial repression. This involves measures that artificially suppress interest rates and force financial institutions to invest in government debt. This strategy, while effective in the short term, can have far-reaching consequences. Russell's deep dive into history and his meticulous analysis of global economic shifts provided him with a unique perspective. But how does all of this tie into the present, and what can we expect in the coming years? Stick around as we uncover the next chapter of Russell Napier's predictions. Russell's predictions take us into uncharted territory, the era of financial repression. He envisions a world where governments take direct control of monetary policy, resulting in a shift of power away from central banks. This shift could lead to an era of artificial interest rates, capital controls, and currency manipulation. As Russell's predictions begin to materialize, the question on everyone's minds is, how can we navigate these uncertain waters? While none of this constitutes financial advice, we can explore some potential strategies based on Russell's insights. First, consider allocating a portion of your portfolio to gold, a historically proven hedge against inflation and economic uncertainty. Second, explore value stocks, particularly in countries that are less likely to resort to financial repression. And don't overlook selected tech stocks that could benefit from government spending initiatives. And, of course, there's the intriguing world of cryptocurrency, a potential hedge against financial repression, though not without its own risks. While we can't predict the future with absolute certainty, we can equip ourselves with knowledge and strategies that align with the evolving financial landscape. Russell's insights remind us that the past often holds the key to understanding the present and preparing for the future. And there you have it, the incredible journey of Russell Napier and his uncanny ability to predict the unpredictable. As we look ahead to a world shaped by financial repression and shifting dynamics, Russell's lessons remind us that adaptability and a deep understanding of history will be invaluable assets. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening adventure. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss our captivating explorations into the world of finance and beyond. Until next time, I'm Leah, is the hot MC who will make you relax and be more motivated after a long day of trading. Thank you guys, love you so much. Goodbye.